All right, this is in response to your email. So this is the shoe right here that I'm trying to list, okay? So as you can see, it says here, available one, merchant fulfilled, closed. Let's go into Joe Lister. All right, so here I am in here underneath Amazon inventory. We can try MFN, merchant fulfilled. And there you go, I don't see it in there. Let me try all, not there. Here you could play around with this, but if we pick all, then that's the same. That should include it. So I'm not really sure why it's not there. Now let me tell you what I did here, okay? You had asked me like, hey, is there any like why I couldn't manually list it on eBay? Well, I don't want to do that. That's why I used Joe Lister. And so in this particular case, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to list these OTBTs on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and then I close them out, and because I can't have them up because we're not allowed to sell OTBT. If I have these up on Amazon, I can get an infringement. So basically, what I did was I listed Merchant Fulfilled on Amazon. I closed them out, and then I tried to list them through Joe Lister, but it's not allowing me to do so. So I don't know if I'm missing something, if there's a glitch, or if I just can't list the items that are inactive on Amazon through Joe Lister. Either way, if you could let me know, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.